Good afternoon, everyone. Our group is Group 42. Our topic is substitute for burn bricks. I am P.I. Jayakrama. To begin with, I am going to give a brief introduction to our topic. Our topic is to find a substitute for burn. Our topic is to find a burn substitute for burn clay bricks because of its negative effects towards the environment and social factors. And some of them are the increase of global warming, the large amount of areas that are separated for clay brick manufacturing. And what I meant from that was large land is separated for clay brick manufacturing factories. Because of that, the land is wasted. And lastly, uh, the amount in how high cost in buying clay bricks. After considering all the adverse effects of burned clay bricks, as I mentioned above, we decided to find a suitable and a sustainable alternative for burnt bricks. Now moving on to the next slide. As you can see, we stated the ingredients that are in clay bricks according to percentages and clearly stated them whether they are renewable or non-renewable. The the first ingredient can be, we can see in the slide, is silica, and that's about 50 to 60%. Then alumina, that's about 20 to 30%. Then lime, iron oxide, magnesia can be can be we can see these ingredients in the table. Okay, the all ingredients are, you can see in the table, the all ingredients are non-renewable ingredients. Okay, now moving on to the next slide. Now I am going to focus on the properties of burn bricks. As we can see in the slide, firstly, the compressive strength can be stated as the most important factor in constructing buildings. The reason is that the the whole building relies on compressive strength, and also the main also the lifelong durability also relies on compressive strength. Also the density in burn bricks are also considered as a high amount because there is a high amount of mass included in clay bricks. And the other properties we can see in slide is that thermal stability, sound insulation, fire resistant, and porosity. Moving on to the next slide. Now I am going to talk about the accountability of raw materials. As we can see in the slide, considering all the above stated raw materials, we divided the raw materials and clearly stated them by ticking them. We clearly stated the individual properties as shown in the table. Okay, now I am going to give a brief background on the manufacturing process of burn bricks as shown in the slide. First of all, grinding and crushing of sand, clay, and water is done. Then the material mixing will be taken place. After mixing, the materials are dried for approximately 3 to 10 days using hot gases and special dryers. After that, the mixer is formed to bricks and it is burned into a high temperature about 1100 Celsius. Okay, now I am going to hand over the presentation to Anjan.
Thank you, Pasan. I am BGAE Gamage. When we consider the applications of burnt bricks is a main item which is used in constructions all over the world. We use burnt bricks to build walls, arches, schools, and every kind of building constructions, and we can see some large dagobas built with burnt bricks. Let's see what are the problems with this product. There are 4 main stages in burnt bricks preparation. Preparation of the clay mixture, molding of bricks, drying, and last one is burning the bricks. So we can discuss the problems under these stages, and problems in each stage have divided into environmental, economical, and social parts. When we consider the preparation of the clay mixture, the soil erosion, destruction of water springs arise as environmental problems, and destroying of cultivable lands and so on can be seen as an economical problem. This causes for the farmers to lose their cultivable lands, and this can be termed as a social problem. When we consider the molding of bricks, ground vibration, noise pollution happen due to working out of machines. In stage 3, drying of bricks release dust and solid waste to the environment, and workers have to face different health problems. If the electricity is used to dry the bricks, it will be a huge power wasting. Final stage is burning of the bricks. In the process of burning bricks in furnace, the gases like nitrogen monoxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide that pollute the environment is emitted to the air. In consequence to this, the global warming and air pollution is increased, and the ozone layer is also affected. Let's see what are the substitutes for the burn bricks. We can use cut and shaped flagstones, wood bricks, cement bricks, high alumina bricks, and straw bricks instead of burn bricks. Let's go to the discussion. We can do our discussion under 3 main points. At first, look about the reasons for nominating straw bricks as a substitute for burn bricks. Actually, straw is a waste thing, so it is cheaper making straw bricks compared to the burn bricks, and so far both have same properties. However, minimizing the environmental pollution is what we targeted from this. Let's see about benefits that we can achieve through this. Actually, when turning out straw bricks, there is neither air pollution nor harm to the soil. It takes less time and effort to make straw bricks. Let's go to the conclusion. When we consider the straw, it is a waste material and renewable material, so we will not have a scarcity of it. And the most important thing is we don't want to do any harm to the environment to have straw, unlike clay. The process of making straw bricks is an easy and need less effort compared to the clay bricks, and no any harmful gases emission. So as a conclusion, we can say straw bricks is a good substitute for burn bricks. Let's see about the references. We got many information from the internet, and we got information from ebooks, journals, magazines, and the references with regard to them are given here. Let's go to the project learnings. We learned so many things and got experiences throughout this project. Some of non-technical learnings are working as a team, gathering information by dividing each section, sharing knowledge about the problem. And some of technical learnings are making builds, make alternatives for burn bricks. Our presentation is over. Thank you.